कंट्री क्लब द्वारा एक संवाददाता सम्मेलन का आयोजन कोलकाता के ताज बंगाल होटल में आयोजित किया गया, जहां विशेष रूप से टूरिज्म और साथ ही साथ कंट्री क्लब्स के विशेषता बताने के लिए उपस्थित हुए मिस्टर वाई राजीव रेड्डी, जो कि कंट्री क्लब के चेयरमैन और मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर भी हैं। साथ ही साथ उपस्थित हुए थे सिमरन आहूजा, जामिनी चैटर्जी, तविशा चैटर्जी और भी विशेष अतिथिगण। आइए देखते हैं हिंद एक्सप्रेस न्यूज के माध्यम से ये पूरी खबर विस्तार से।
Maybe it requires about 3 to 5 years. We is close to the future.
Now, we have some grand unveiling taking place. And before we share the surprise with you, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you all to Mr. Devjit Chatterjee. And before we get to take a look at his video and speak about this relation.
An association with country clubs spans over a decade. To Mr. Nakil Bansal, this professional relation has turned possible. We welcome our guests at Enso, where they can enjoy quality food, really fine ambience.
Behind, sir. Ladies and gentlemen. This is a count of 7. That's the start. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. For Khadija, Janina, and Miss Alicia, the VIP Gold Membership Card of Khadija. Congratulations.
Gold membership card of Country Club, which goes to Devjit Chatterjee and his very beautiful family. We welcome you all, and this is just the beginning of the miracle. Ladies and gentlemen, the very wondrous first association.
Largest family chain in the world actually. We are having about 2 million people actually speaking, and taking 5 members per one family. We are having roughly about 4.5 lakh members.
How you get the membership of your club?
Or it is there on website, it is there, or the people, we have about 2,000 people only working for Country Club, only for marketing.
What parameter do you select?
I beg your pardon?
What parameter do you select for them?
Anybody who is aspiring and who is little positive and who is health conscious, because Country Club has got the best health clubs in the country actually speaking. Now with this pickleball and all that, it's you have to understand that we are blending into the future. We are trying to take their hobbies into account, and maybe there is one main reason why people want to join the Country Club. Apart from the entertainment, it's all because of fitness, health and fitness, and adventure sports. Adventure sports, you have seen that in my skydiving in Dubai. That you had a huge impact on all the members, and because diving from 13,500 feet down onwards, it is almost impossible to comprehend. But then I took a chance. For me, it was like our country club anything. Because we were born into the business, and we like adventure sports and we like wildlife. Wildlife also in Bandipur, which is about 60 kilometers from Mysore, is one of the biggest hits of country club. The same kind of environment we would like to get into the northeast, and the western markets, apart from the overseas markets. So, my dear friends, please understand that whatever we have done, it's just the beginning of a great era.
For decades together, we've had biggest New Year bash, where right from the superstars of our very own Bollywood film industry have performed, including our great actors from the South. This year, the theme is War of the DJs, where every city, pan India, is going to truly go ahead and give their best towards this New Year Eve as we ring in the New Year 2026. So the War of the DJs is amidst the DJs at all the different country clubs, and then we're going to see who really play the best and won hearts of the beautiful audiences, our lovely family members of Country Club. So the theme this year is War of the DJs, because we realized this year that the Gen Zs really want music to play. They don't want much to watch. They don't want to watch anyone. They want to really enjoy with their own family, and that is why we have DJs.
Are the brand ambassadors, true brand ambassadors. If at all we have grown to the extent, it's only because member get member, their friends, their family. That is what actually happened, because I get the videos almost every day in the evening, whichever club is there.
We're going to do Lori. We're going to have Darling's Day Out, which is a big hit, once again, where all the couples come together. So as Sir said, it is for everyone who really wants कि हमारे family को हम कुछ gift दें, हमारे family के साथ वक्त बिताएं, अच्छा खाना खाएं, healthy food खाएं, moral values हमारे next generation को दें. So this is what Country Club is all about. And we are so thankful कि हमारे भारत देश में we have a place like Country Club. Sir is known as the king of the clubs because he's been winning hearts for decades together. So we truly appreciate that. Thank you. Sir did mention and speak about the pandemic during the pandemic time. Sir was the one who gave me the title Country Club at Your Doorstep. So Sir said, if people can't come to Country Club, let us go to Country Club. And this is how we started Country Club at Your Doorstep, where 5 months non-stop we had yoga every evening at 5:40 p.m. on the Country Club page. And you will be surprised, without any marketing, without anyone proposing it, because offices were shut at that point of time and no one would work for 5 months. We had 0.2 million people, 2 lakh हमें join करते थे from across the world, and they used to remember the video we had with the Japanese ladies.
Yeah.
The Japanese ladies were not on Facebook. They joined Facebook because they got to know about Country Club at Your Doorstep yoga, and they joined Facebook. And उन्हें अंग्रेजी बात करने नहीं आती थी. They learned English just because Sir had them on a Zoom call live, where they really gave all the credit to Country Club. And my name is Simran Ahuja, and I'm very fortunate to having got this opportunity to be a part of it. जिसकी वजह से Sir, you've gone viral around the world, and people always ask, when are we having Country Club in our own country?
For more videos, kindly subscribe our channel, and for advertisement and news coverage, contact us in this number.